Welcome back to World to Travel. If you're new here, we explore the most stunning locations and experiences around the world. Today, we're taking you to one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks, Gardens by the Bay, for a mesmerizing night of music and lights under the Supertrees. Before we dive into this magical experience, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest travel adventures. Imagine this, towering super trees illuminated with vibrant colors, synchronized to a beautiful symphony. This is Garden Rhapsody, the signature music and light show at Gardens by the Bay, and it's something you simply can't miss if you're here in Singapore. Every evening, these super trees come to life with dazzling light displays that are perfectly in sync with an incredible soundtrack. Whether it's classical music, cultural beats, or seasonal themes, each performance offers a unique experience under the stars. And the best part? The show is free for everyone. Just grab a spot on the lawn, sit back, and let the combination of lights and music transport you to another world. The atmosphere here is electric, yet peaceful, an unforgettable way to spend an evening. From locals to travelers from all over the world, everyone finds something magical here at Gardens by the Bay. It's a celebration of art, nature, and technology coming together to create a one-of-a-kind experience. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning fan, the Supertree Light and Music Show is a must-see when you're in Singapore. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WorldToTravel for more amazing travel experiences from around. Please note, audio has been edited due to copyright restrictions. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful music and light show. Thanks for joining us on this magical night under the Supertrees. We'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and stay inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy travels.